ઇંગ્લિશ ગ્રામર સોલ્યુશન ધોરણ 8 ભાગ 1 યુનિટ નંબર 6 પ્રેઝન્ટ પરફેક્ટ ટેન્સ. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે પૂર્ણ વર્તમાન કાળના યોગ્ય રૂપો વડે ખાલી જગ્યા પૂરો. ફર્સ્ટ બ્લેન્ક. મોહન હેઝ સેન્ટ હિઝ બ્રધર ટુ સ્કૂલ. બીજી બ્લેન્ક. ધ સર્વન્ટ હેઝ બ્રોકન ધ ગ્લાસ. થર્ડ. Who has seen my purse? They have gone to Rajkot. What have you eaten? Chhathi blank. Megha and Raj have written a letter to their uncle. Satmi. I have given my address to you. The thieves have stolen all the jewelry. 9th. We have flown kites. 10th. Rohit has cut the cake. બીજો પ્રશ્ન છે કૌંસમાં આપેલા શબ્દોનો ઉપયોગ કરી અને પ્રશ્નોના ઉત્તર લખો. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન. Who has finished the work? Mohit has finished the work. બીજો. What has Ankit bought? Ankit has bought kites. Third. Which film have they seen? They have seen Hindi film. Fourth. When have they come? એનો આન્સર થશે they have come last night. પાંચમું. Where have you kept the key? I have kept the key in the bag. Sixth. Which dress has she worn? She has worn blue dress. Satmu. Where have the thieves hidden the treasure? The thieves have hidden the treasure in the forest. 8. Who has seen my bag? Mohan has seen my bag. 9th. When has Sital completed her work? Sital has completed her work at 10 a.m. 10th. Who has not received the mark sheet? Prachi has not received the mark sheet. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે પ્રશ્નોના ટૂંકા ઉત્તર લખો. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે હેવ યુ સીન ગાંધી આશ્રમ? એનો હકાર જવાબ થશે યસ આઈ હેવ અને નકાર જવાબ થશે નો આઈ હેવન્ટ. બીજો. હેઝ ધ ડોગ બીટન ધ ચાઇલ્ડ? યસ ઇટ હેઝ. No, it hasn't. ત્રીજું. Have your teachers completed the course? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Has your friend given you a gift on your birthday? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. પાંચમું. Have the police caught the thief? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. ચોથો પ્રશ્ન છે રેખાંકિત શબ્દો ઉત્તરમાં મળે તે રીતે પ્રશ્નાર્થ વાક્ય બનાવીને લખો. પહેલું વાક્ય. The servant has broken the glass. એનો ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન થશે Who has broken the glass? અને બીજો પ્રશ્ન. What has the servant broken? Vatsal has gone to Bhavnagar. Who has gone to Bhavnagar? બીજો પ્રશ્ન. Where has Vatsal gone? Next. Nilay has forgotten his book at home. Who has forgotten his book at home? What has Nilay forgotten at home? અને ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન. Where has Nilay forgotten his book? Fourth, Sanjay has thrown the stone at the dog. એનો ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન થશે who has thrown the stone at the dog. બીજો પ્રશ્ન, what has Sanjay thrown at the dog? પાંચમું, the children have gone to school. Who have gone to school? બીજો પ્રશ્ન, where have the children gone? Sixth, mother has baked a cake in the morning. And a first question, who has baked a cake in the morning? Second question, what has mother baked in the morning? Third question, when has mother baked a cake? સાતમું વાક્ય, Sandhya has sung the song in the party. And a first question, who has sung the song in the party? What has Sandhya sung in the party? અને ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન, where has Sandhya sung the song? આઠમું, the gardener has put the flowers in a vase. Who has put the flowers in a vase? What has the gardener put in a vase? અને ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે, where has the gardener put the flowers?